Last lecture we can discuss the structure of the PN junction diode and how can conduct the PN junction diode. In the PN junction diode, two condition. One, it is that the forward bias condition, another it is that the reverse bias condition. In the forward bias condition, we can apply the external electrical field as a battery positive terminal that can be connected to the P side or P-type semiconductor. It means the battery positive terminal that can be connected to the anode terminal of the semiconductor diode, and negative terminal of the battery that can be connected to the N-type material means cathode terminal of the semiconductor diode. At the time, number of holes that can be injected to the P side and number of electrons that can be injected at the N side. Because of the diffusion that can be creates the depletion region, that can be negative and positive ion that comes at the center, and this region is known as the depletion region, which region cannot be change the position holes P-type to N-type, and electron cannot be changed or jump to N-type to P-type. It means current conductivity at this time it is 0. The depletion region barrier potential, it is in the silicon 0.7 volt and in germanium it is the 0.3 volt. At the time battery voltage or battery potential is equal to or greater than the barrier potential, that time the carrier will be change the position to P side to N side and N side to P side. This condition is known as the forward bias condition. At this condition, the all current that can be flowed to the P side to N side. It means at this time the barrier potential is equal to the battery voltage, that time diode will be conduct. This condition is known as the forward bias condition. And another it is that the reverse bias condition. In the reverse bias condition, the battery terminal are connected in reverse direction. It means at the P side that can be connected the negative terminal of the battery and positive terminal of the battery that can be connected to the N side. At the time battery terminal that can be accessed the number of free carriers, and these free carriers that can be acquire the another charge and loses his charge. Because of this opposite charge of carriers that comes at the center and size of the depletion region that can be increased, that is the wider depletion layer. Because of it is act as open switch, the carrier cannot be changed position to P side to N side, and carrier cannot be jumped to N side to P side. This condition it is known as the reverse bias condition of the PN junction diode because of the diffusion. Next it is that the characteristics of the PN junction diode. There are two characteristics. One it is that the forward bias condition, another it is that the reverse bias condition. In the forward bias condition, we know that diode act as a conductor. In the reverse bias condition, diode act as a non-conductor or insulator. In other words, in the forward bias condition, diode act as a closed switch, and in the reverse bias condition, diode act as a open switch. The barrier potential of the germanium material, it is that the 0.3 volt. The depletion size it is the 0.3 volt, and in the silicon it is the 0.7 volt. The IV characteristics seen at the screen that can be display the characteristics in the reverse bias and forward bias of the diode. It means the positive terminal of the battery that can be connected to the P side and negative terminal of the battery that can be connected to the N side. At the time diode how can respond to the external electrical field. At the time we can apply 0.1 volt plus 0.1 volt per volt voltage. At the time no current that can be flow to the diode. Only leakage current that can be flow at this diode seen at this screen. Similar to the 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 0.6 when we can study silicon diode. At the 0.63 that start to the flow of current, it means the barrier potential is equal to the potential region width. At the time the current can be start to the flow, at the time at the screen we can see voltage as well as current will be increases. At the 0.7 volt, that's time current will be increases rapidly, and then the next the current increases rapidly to the diode. It means it is act as a conductor after the 0.7 volt. At the time we can study the silicon material. Similar to the germanium, only difference it is that at the 0.1 volt we can apply at the diode. That's time only leakage current that can be flow. It is act as a non-conductor or insulator. Similar to the 0.2, and then at the 0.3 volt the diode act as a conductor that can be start the flow of current. That is the forward bias condition of the PN junction diode. Similar to the reverse bias condition, at the time external battery terminals are connected at the diode in reverse direction. It means at the P side we can connect the negative terminal of the battery and positive terminal of the battery that can be connected to the N side. This condition is known as the reverse bias condition. In the reverse bias condition, the depletion region is wider or increased by the external electrical field. At this time, negative current that can be applied 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5 volt, 6 volt, 7 volt, 9 volt. Diode act as a non-conductor or insulator. After the some voltage, it is act as that can be flow the reverse current. That is this current is or this voltage is known as the breakdown voltage. That can be used at the Zener diode that can be studied then in the next lecture.